Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Financial freedom begins in the mind, where extraordinary thinking basks in the light of possibility. You could imagine a world where each dollar earned is an opportunity for investment, not just expenditure. It's a battle against ingrained cultural beliefs, in which a simple question transforms everything. How can this dollar work for me? This question flips the script on consumerism, steering the focus toward acquiring assets that generate wealth. Embracing an abundance mindset unleashes creativity, inviting dialogue, collaboration, and the courage to claim your worth. Consider how gratitude shifts your perspective, urging you to spotlight the many blessings within your grasp while brainstorming new avenues to uplift others. Challenge yourself to abandon blame. Take full responsibility for your financial circumstances, viewing each choice as a stepping stone to growth rather than a barrier. Reflect on the part you play, engaging in a rigorous self-assessment of every financial decision you make. Inquiry will propel you to action, asking how you can refine your habits, skills, or strategies to transform outcomes. A focus on long-term vision becomes essential amidst a world eager for instant gratification. Visualizing your future isn't just a dream, it's a necessary exercise that shapes your present actions. Envision your life years down the road, then reverse engineer the path that gets you there, filling today with actionable steps to align with that visionary target. Embrace failure as part of the learning process. Reframe setbacks as data points that inform your strategy rather than a reason to despair. This mentality preserves your momentum, guiding you to pivot quickly and learn from each misstep. Transitioning from linear income to scalable income transforms how you view work. It opens pathways to creating products and services that yield returns without a direct correlation to your hours worked. Explore options for automating or outsourcing tasks. Wealth generation need not always tie to hours on the clock. Surround yourself with dreamers and achievers who stretch your vision. This infectious ambition can reshape your mindset and goals. Assess your environment, focusing on enriching conversations and empowering content that elevates your financial ambitions. Practice delayed gratification by visualizing your aspirations, activating your capacity for self-control to make long-term sacrifices for future rewards. Craft a vivid vision board that ties your milestones to tangible goals. Train your patience intentionally. Address limiting beliefs that have been passed down through generations, countering negative narratives with empowering truths and evidence of achievement from relatable figures. As you adopt the habit of asking, "What's the ROI?" on every choice, from friendships to purchases, you'll begin to allocate your time and resources wisely. Establish daily rituals to solidify your new mindset, cultivating affirmations, reflections, and planning sessions as anchors. With consistency, these practices will shift your identity from spender to savvy creator, laying the groundwork for lasting wealth and fulfillment. Every financial decision you make becomes filtered through the investor's lens, asking, "What is the ROI?" This approach enables you to prioritize high-yield activities that enhance your life and sidestep distractions that drain your energy and resources. The cumulative effect of these choices solidifies the mindset required to build lasting wealth. As you integrate daily rituals like affirmations, reflections, and strategic planning, your identity transitions from that of a reactor to a creator. Eventually, your external results will reflect the profound internal shifts you've cultivated, guiding you toward a future rich with opportunity and purpose. Embrace this journey, for financial freedom resides within you, ready to be unleashed. As you envision your wealth-building journey, remember to immerse yourself in continual learning and growth. Seek out knowledge not just from your experiences but also from those who've forged successful paths before you. Each piece of wisdom can serve to illuminate your own way forward, augmenting your understanding and strategies as you refine your approach to wealth. Embrace networking opportunities, connecting with like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you to push boundaries. Making intentional connections amplifies your growth potential, leading to valuable collaborations and insights. Remember, your mindset is sculpted by the environments you inhabit, so actively seek communities and resources that elevate your ambitions. These relationships, paired with your commitment to personal development, will create a robust foundation for your financial endeavors. Stay the course, remain adaptable, and celebrate each milestone along the way, for each step forward solidifies your place on this transformative journey toward financial freedom. The final piece of your financial transformation lies in reinforcing your mindset with the right rituals. Incorporate daily affirmations that resonate with your newfound identity as the architect of your wealth. Each morning, remind yourself of your potential and aspirations, setting a positive intention for the day ahead. By evaluating your progress nightly, you gain insight into your growth, while weekly planning sessions ensure you stay aligned with your vision. As these practices blend into your routine, they firmly establish your identity as a creator of wealth, paving the way for lasting success. Embrace this evolution, and watch your financial destiny unfold with intent and determination. As you stand at the threshold of this journey, remember that every shift in mindset is a powerful brick in the foundation of your financial legacy. Smash like if you're ready to upgrade. Your commitment to this journey marks the beginning of a remarkable transformation, where each mindset shift paves the way to your financial freedom. With dedication and perseverance, the dreams you've envisioned will materialize as you take charge of your wealth. Step forward, knowing that the path to fortune begins within you. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments.